So we'd love for you to join us for SIIM 2012, which is June 7th through 10th in Orlando, Florida. And the theme of this year's SIIM Annual meeting and program is Strategic Innovation through Enterprise Image Management. And we weave that throughout the educational program. We structure our program similar to the past couple of years, where we have learning tracks, and within each track we have a didactic or educational session. We have an applied learning session, which was more interactive, sometimes panel discussion, and many of those are what we call vendor tie-in sessions, where our vendor partners have applied to participate in those sessions and will get their input and insight into some of those topics. And then we have scientific sessions, or scientific papers that have been selected that fit into those different learning track categories. We have our general opening and closing sessions and our Sam Dwyer sessions, which are kind of anchors to our meeting. The opening session is going to be put on by our millennials, so it's going to be a look at what the world could look like in future, given by some of our young up-and-coming imaging informaticists. And our closing session is going to be about CIIPs and the power of the CIIP, and that kind of goes in line with one of our new learning tracks, which is all about the CIIP, the Certified Imaging Informatics Professional, talking about what they need to know, how they advance in their career, and so on and so forth. Some of our other new learning tracks include quantitative imaging, and mining your data is another one of the new ones. In addition to the structured learning tracks, we have hot topics that include an update on meaningful use, one on decision support, one on mobile platforms, and one on how you take a gadget or a great idea and move it through to perhaps FDA approval. In addition to those kinds of sort of didactic and hands-on sessions, we have our Open Source Plug Fest, which we've had the past couple of years. We have something new called Innovators Row, where people who have an idea and a business plan, maybe they're beginning a startup, want to come and present their ideas and have the vendors participate with them and give them feedback and so on. So that's going to be something new this year as well. We have lots of things going on in our Innovation Theater, and of course a huge part of our meeting is our vendor partner exhibits, where most of the vendors in the community of imaging informatics will be showing their new products, and you can demo them and talk to those folks. It's a very collegial meeting. We have a number of roundtables. We have targeted networking receptions, for example, for our international folks, for our young trainees, and so on and so forth.